Hello everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to install Exalate on Freshdesk step by step. Exalate is a decentralized integration solution, which means you need to install it on every instance you want to connect. That gives you full control over what gets shared. Step 1. Log in into your Freshdesk account. Step 2. Go to exalate.com/integration and select Freshdesk. Fill in the form with your information. After submitting the form, you will be redirected to your new node in a separate tab. Save this link to this node. This is going to launch the Exalate node UI, which is your hub for configuring and managing connections. As tracker URL, I'm going to enter the URL of my Freshdesk instance. For the API token or password, please continue following the tutorial, and then here there is a hyperlink how to reach it. So it is the proxy user in Exalate. We're going to select Freshdesk, and then here are the step-by-steps. So go to Profile Settings, and look here for View API Key. Copy the key, and then enter it here in the console, and click Save. Alright, I'm going to continue following the tutorial and filling in the information. Alright, then we will be sent a verification email, so please open it and then click on Verify Exalate Instance. Here is the email, so you are going to click on Verify Exalate Instance, and that's it. Your email was successfully verified, and then here we got the node ID. So I'm going to enter in the email and then the password that I used to create this node. We're going to log in, and that's it. You've successfully installed Exalate on Freshdesk.